and Grandpa Smith are totally normal, boring grandparents. That's what their grandkids think, but they couldn't be more wrong. Secret agents Mr. and Mrs. Smith are back in business. Grandpa, you forgot your pants. Stupid dementia. My granddaughter went to her room to make a call. Is she trying to hide something from Grandma? It won't work. I have a spy phone. It's an old, reliable gadget. High quality. I'll just adjust the frequency. What's this noise? Grandma? Copy, copy. The signal doesn't work. Alice is going on a date. We can't leave her alone. Boys are so unreliable nowadays. Don't worry, kiddo. Grandpa is with you. It's important to be unnoticed and keep my distance. Thank goodness I have a spyglass left after a secret mission. Cut bottoms out of cardboard cups of different sizes. Put the cups one inside another. Pull them out to make a spyglass. Glue a magnifying glass lens in the bottom of the smallest cup. Cover up the joint with black electrical tape. Trace the other end of the spyglass on cardboard. Sketch out the contours of the lens in the center of the circle. Cut it out, put the lens in the cardboard circle, and fasten it in the cup. Cover the spyglass using a plastic coffee lid. Oh, kids these days! So this is Ben's locker. I need to blend in. What's poppin', dude? Hey! Do you know her? Haven't seen her before. Let's get out of here. Hang on, Ben. Grandma will take care of business. We'll need 2 strips of fake leather. Glue an elastic ribbon to the thinner strip. Attach Velcro to the edge. Fasten metallic spikes on the back. Use multi-purpose glue. Place the thin strip on top of the thick strip. Glue Velcro fasteners to the edge. Fasten a set of master keys on the inner side with the elastic ribbon. Well, what do we have here? Hey! What are you doing in my locker? I'm talking to you! Oh, Ben! Look, it's the Dean! Well, Grandma, that was too much! Social media is the main source of modern danger. Now I'll find out who's texting our baby Alice. Grandpa, what are you doing? Watch out, don't hurt your back! The college cafeteria is a dangerous place. Temptations are waiting for our granddaughter everywhere. I'll take pictures of this suspicious guy from all sides, and I'll conduct a facial recognition analysis at home. The angle from the windowsill isn't very successful. I'll try on the other side. Alice suspects something. Good girl. It's obvious that she's the granddaughter of special agents. The pictures turn out better here. Cut out a circle from foam paper. Stretch out the edges to make them wavy. Attach a phone case using double-sided tape. Cut out a camera hole. Make lettuce from foam paper. Also make ground meat and tomato pieces. Add corn made out of light clay. Assemble a foam paper taco. Coat the outer surface with acrylic paint so it looks like a real tortilla. Put a phone in the case. Grandma, what are you doing here? Spying on me? Why would you say that? I just came in here for a snack. No privacy. Let's go. Alice has been at that party for too long. Mr. Smith, you're working undercover today. Cut out printed portraits. Connect them to each other using masking tape. Glue them to a straw and roll them up. Fasten with masking tape. Glue fake bangs to the inner side of a baseball cap. Put a thin skewer in the plastic straw and hot glue the ends of the skewer to the visor of the cap. Why is this weird dude here? Who is he? Mr. Smith is taking too long to get back. Something must be wrong. Did he get busted? Hold on, I'm coming to the rescue. Oh, you old party animal, come on, go home. Movies are so awful nowadays. They were so much better when we were young. Spyglasses won't hurt. Alice, I'll protect you from this dumb movie's bad influence. Let's turn regular glasses into spy glasses. Glue a picture of a hidden camera to the center of the rims. Fasten a laser pointer on the temple using black electrical tape. Cut the volume controller off old headphones, along with one headphone. Glue the headphone to the inner side of the arm. Attach the volume controller to the outer side. Oh, a light! I'll catch it right now! Turns out a movie theater is a dangerous place. I'll borrow your jacket, young man. Please, come in. And you, ma'am, are not allowed. We are very strict about our audience. Grandma, why am I so unlucky? What's wrong with these boys? Will I never meet a normal guy? Alice, honey, no boy is worthy of your tears. Everything's gonna be all right. You'll see. And the guy will regret it. Hurry up, I need my spy board. Here he is, the bad guy. Well, watch out. Put pictures of faces and locations on a sheet of fiberboard. Also a blueprint of a building and newspaper cutouts. Fasten them with push pins. Attach post-it notes. Pull a red thread around the push pins. Track the cause and effect of the items on the board. How dare you upset my granddaughter? Nothing to say? Now you are gonna experience the power of Grandma's revenge. What's in this jar? Dentures! Ew! That jar again? Ew! I lost my appetite! Unbelievable! These teeth are stalking me! Shape polymer clay into a denture shape. Press in hollows with a modeling tool. Make teeth from white clay. Put the teeth in the hollows. Make a top and a bottom jaw. Bake in an oven following the instructions. Nice face, Alice! Hiding a camera in a container with my dentures was a great idea! Grandma, you're sleeping, huh? It's time to pay you back for all you did! Solve this puzzle! Mysterious footprints from nowhere! Cut soles from cardboard. Glue elastic to both sides. Glue another sole on top. Color with acrylic paint. Cover the edge of the sole with foam paper. Make 2 pieces. Cut duck and cat prints from foam paper. Glue them them to the soles. Ben covered the soles with gouache paint. Wake up! Oof! I wasn't sleeping! What's that? Where are these traces from? Who was walking here? A one-legged dog? A cat duck? I'm going crazy! Grandma, calm down. It's just a prank. Oh, Ben, watch out. Messing with me was a bad idea. Did you like our spy game ideas? Then comment below which one you'd copy. Spy glasses, a telescope in a coffee cup, a bracelet with master keys, or a taco case? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new fun videos from Troom.